Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a versatile kitchen companion that promises to simplify your cooking routine, the non-stick frying pan wok for induction cooktops. This isn't just another pan, it's designed to be your go-to tool for a variety of culinary tasks, from stir-frying to steaming. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about its core function as a frying pan and wok. The product description highlights its suitability for gas stoves, open flames, and even firewood stoves, positioning it as a traditional wok. This is fantastic news for those who appreciate a classic cooking experience. The versatility extends beyond just frying. The features mention boiling and steaming as well, making it a multifunctional piece of cookware. This means you can potentially replace several single-purpose pans with this one. The design of this wok is focused on practicality. It features an ergonomic and smooth handle, which is designed for easy movement and comfortable grip. The description emphasizes that even ladies can hold the pan and start frying with ease, which speaks to its balanced weight distribution and handle design. This is a crucial aspect for any cookware, ensuring safe and comfortable use. It's also noted that the handle is heat insulating and heat-proof, another significant safety and comfort feature. Cleaning and storage are often pain points with kitchenware. This wok is described as convenient to clean and easy to store, saving you time and effort after cooking. The instructions are clear: after use, be sure to wipe the pot and store it in a dry place. It's also advised not to store food and water in the product for long periods when not in use. This kind of guidance is helpful for maintaining the longevity and performance of the pan. Material-wise, the wok is constructed from iron, which is a durable material known for its excellent heat conductivity. The high hardness of the iron construction means it's not easily deformed or broken, suggesting a long lifespan. This is important when considering the value of any kitchen tool. The non-stick aspect is also a significant selling point, as it generally leads to easier cooking and cleaning, preventing food from sticking and burning. Let's consider the dimensions. It measures 36 cm by 20 cm by 7.50 cm, which translates to about 14.15 inches by 7.86 inches by 2.95 inches. This size seems appropriate for household cooking, offering enough space for stir-frying ingredients without being excessively large for smaller kitchens. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is a huge advantage. It's not just a frying pan or a wok, but a tool that can handle multiple cooking methods across various heat sources. The emphasis on an ergonomic, heat-resistant handle is a win for user comfort and safety. The durable iron construction promises longevity, and the non-stick feature, if effective, will make cooking and cleaning a breeze. The size is practical for everyday use. However, there are a few points to consider. While it's described as non-stick, the effectiveness of non-stick coatings can vary, and it's essential to follow the care instructions diligently to maintain this feature. The product description mentions it's suitable for gas stoves and open flames. While induction cooktops are mentioned in the title, the features specifically list gas, open flame, and firewood stoves. It would be beneficial to confirm its compatibility and performance on induction surfaces, as this is a key advertised feature. Also, the instruction to wipe the pot and store it dry after every use is standard for iron cookware, but it's a maintenance requirement that users need to be aware of and adhere to for optimal performance and to prevent rust. In conclusion, this non-stick frying pan wok for induction cooktops presents itself as a robust and multifunctional addition to any kitchen. Its ability to handle diverse cooking styles on various heat sources, coupled with its ergonomic design and durable materials, makes it a compelling option. If you're in the market for a single pan that can do a lot, this might be worth investigating further. Link in the description.